In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the low memory warning in Adobe After Effects. Let's dive right in so you can keep working smoothly without interruptions. When working on your projects in After Effects, running into a low memory warning can be frustrating. But don't worry, these steps will help you manage your memory efficiently and keep those warnings at bay. First, you'll want to open Adobe After Effects. Once you're in the program, navigate to the top menu and find the Edit option. This is your gateway to accessing a few vital settings that will help free up memory. When you click on Edit, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, look for the option labeled Purge. Selecting Purge is a powerful way to clear out unnecessary clutter that's been stored, which can hog your system's memory. After selecting Purge, click on All Memory and Disk Cache. This selection will ensure that you're removing all cached frames and disk cache, effectively freeing up space. Disk cache often stores previews and other temporary files, which can pile up over time. When you see the confirmation prompt, don't hesitate to confirm. By doing this, you'll be clearing out all the cached frames, thus freeing up your RAM and preventing those pesky memory warnings. Once you've cleared the cache, there's more you can do to optimize After Effects for a smoother experience. Head back to the Edit menu in the top navigation bar. This time, scroll down to find and select Preferences. Here, you will adjust the settings that determine how much RAM is allocated for After Effects and how much is reserved for other applications running on your computer. By customizing this setting, you ensure that After Effects has enough memory to operate efficiently without starving other important applications that may be running simultaneously. As you adjust these settings, consider how many applications you typically have running at the same time and balance this based on your workflow. Once you have configured the RAM settings to your satisfaction, click OK to save these changes. Now, for these settings to take full effect, you'll need to restart Adobe After Effects. Close the application completely and then open it again to start fresh with the new memory allocations. By following these steps, you'll mitigate memory issues and enhance your After Effects experience. These adjustments not only solve the immediate warning, but also foster a more efficient workflow, allowing you to focus more on your creative process. I hope you found this guide useful, and your Adobe After Effects runs more smoothly as a result. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.